Hey, you guys. Have you ever thought about a side business, or a side hustle? Something that will bring in, a little bit of money every month? I know I thought about opening an online store. Maybe have you ever thought about starting a trading Bitcoin type of operation? Trading is a thing, right? I mean, trading your own money on the financial markets. Can that be a business? This is what we're going to be discussing today during the video. In my opinion, trading is the best business you can possibly have. You have no inventory. You have no supplier chain issues. Um, I think it's the best thing that you can possibly do. It's so much better than opening a store with inventory, with what's even worse, expiry dates. It's it's so much easier than having to do accounting for shipments or customer orders. But even that you guys don't do. None of you keep trading journals. You really need to start if you don't do that already. If you plan on getting serious about trading, start getting used to the fact that you still have to do a lot of paperwork and homework and documentation and rereading that documentation. It's all part of the job. And have you ever thought about it as a business? You ever think about trading as a job? I mean, really plan it out. Set up a business plan. And in the trading world, a business plan is a trading strategy, economic analysis, how you react to market events. That's all part of the business plan. This is where most people fail. I mean, right here at the start. This should not be a hobby. This should not be a hobby. This can only work if it's a business to you. Over the years, I have seen so many people fail time and time again because they take this job as a hobby. So many people take it lightly. So many people do not give the markets due respect. So many people don't understand their own emotions. Plan for the future. How many of you know what happens in the second half of July? How many of you know what happens in the second half of July? Go ahead, answer. I'll wait. The earnings season starts. Companies worldwide will report their earnings, and keen traders who know about this period plan their trades ahead of time. And and they're prepared for all these financial events. Listen, I'll share with you guys a video, a link. It'll be in the description or in the comments page about the earnings season that's coming up so you guys can learn about it quickly if you're a little bit behind. But let's talk business. No crap. I have nothing to sell you. You cannot transition to a live account without first getting profitable on the demo first. If at the end of the month you have lost more than you made, then you are not ready. Even better if you repeat this experiment 3 months. That's even better. Number two, discipline. I, this is the mistake everybody makes. You cannot trade for a few days of the week, and even worse, when you feel like it. I mean, I guess you can if you get stupidly good at technical analysis, but even then, you had to have been a dedicated professional for some time in your life to achieve this level. So in general, either you're a professional market participant or you're cannon fodder. Um, Even if you feel bad, even if you stop dreaming and you lost some money yesterday, you still have to get up and look for opportunities. This is why in general computers are better at trading than humans, because they don't have emotions about whether or not to open a trade. They still make mistakes, they still have down days, but the next day they just get up and follow instructions. Really good traders are like this as well. They follow instructions if they get a signal. Now, creating a good strategy is just as important as maintaining it. But you're lucky. You live in 2021 where the age of information and information is free. All you have to do is use it. Here on our YouTube channel, we have a library of video content to run through, and it can turn a beginner into somebody who knows what to do. The rest is up to you. So the answer to the question, can you turn trading into a good hobby, is no. But it can be a good side hustle or a good part-time job, absolutely. But you have to be willing to put in the work. So my name is Yaroslav Burchenko. We have the entire Olymp Trade team here to help you along the way. We invite you to subscribe to our channel and come back when you need a little extra mentoring or want to learn a thing or two. So thank you to anyone who left a like to the video. I hope it helps you in your life. We will keep trying to help you guys succeed. Thank you all so much for your time, and see you next time. Peace.